Hello, everyone. How do I tackle this? Hey, Shima! Ohayo! お元気ですか？めっちゃ元気。よかった。少し眠い？多分。I was sleepy the whole day, man. なんでひどい。Hmm. Well, is it? I mean, I finished up many things. Now we are working on the evolution system. This is right now. 7 minutes ago I started the evolution system. When this is done and I finish 1 or 2 little things, then the prototype is future complete. Meaning I could package, give you the game, and you could play. So it is going fairly well. Something like this. Probably have to play around with the numbers. Something like this. I think I'm not forgetting anything. I think this is complete. So basically, we have an Orpling that is level 1, we level him up, and he gets level 20. At which point we now can merge him with one of the trial Orplings. We choose a trial Orpling that is the same element type and so on, so it gets all the evolution points bonuses. Then when we merge, he's level 1, merge level 1, which means it is now harder to level him up. Has now evolution point 7, which means it has enough for the evolution 1. And I guess now you would need to level up a little more since he's level 1 until the condition for the evolution happens. At what level do I want it to be able to evolve to evolution 1? One-third of max level Evo 1. How about that? So basically now I would need to add all of this into the trial Orplings. Add this part, I guess the element we already have in type 2, into the Orplings themselves, so they can save this. Let's go first to our internal stats. Hey baby, welcome, welcome. How are you today? This one. What do you mean by dying inside? Is it exams again? I guess we have to add value here. This evolution points. Oh boy. I know that feeling. So the evolution points are now here. Good. Didn't break. Where do we do the merging again? It was in the UI. Orpling Manager. File Orpling page. Graphs. Oh god. So we get the trial Orpling. We now have to check the type. Also the element, which we don't have here, but with the base ID probably we could look. We get the ability in there. Element, map of entities, battle group. Merge ready, Orplings. Setting that. Calculate. Yes, I also have to do something here with the evolution points. What's here? Merge, Orpling, okay, this is choosing to merge something on the board versus something in the storage. I have to do this 2 times, which means of course we could make a function out of it. Yes, I'm doing the same thing. The last part. Okay. Looking at my little design sheet here. Our trial Orplings need no stuff. Trial Orpling struct. This thing? Where do we have that? It's called Tomati with an I in the end. Here's the element. So we could look up, I guess, or do we spawn it and can then look it up? we have information about visual entities without spawning them? Perfect. Get base stat data entry. I think this shouldn't have this type. I ever specify in any design document what I call these things? One. This one, oh, that's the islands. This. That. And this was attack ideas. Maybe. Ah no, this was the balancing thing. Nope. Interesting, I might not have it. Well, then maybe I will just make some definitions now. Let's see. Now I need some words here. Let's brainstorm some names. Hey baby, baby. Hey Yummy, how are you doing, man? That's good to hear. Let's Google what species means. That's a genus. Ranking between family and species. Look, there are more names now. Family, genus. Species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom, domain. I guess I don't have to go that far down. Okay. Family, genus, species. The current taxonomy system now has 8 levels in hierarchy from lowest to highest. They are species, genus, family, order, class, kingdom, domain. The species are grouped with genera. Genera are grouped with families. Genera are genus. Families are grouped with orders, and so on. Okay. So a species would be probably what I would call a branch. And a genus would be anything that can be the same thing. And I don't probably need families. So it would be like this then. So we have a genus, as in this big thing. And then this here would be the species. Species. How do I move this? I'm not sure if I should call it species or branch, because they have the same thing. Maybe this thing is still something different in all of them, but very similar. Something like that. And we have this categorization. I don't need this anymore. Or maybe the type could be the individual thing of the state he's in. Maybe I can find a better name for it. So, okay, we got that down. Now I would need a growth state of animal. Ah, life stage. That's a good name. Data chart of animals. Cycle of a frog. I guess there is no easy way to do this. Ah, there's something. Egg, larva, pupa, imago. But that's, I guess, only a species. Or genus. I'm losing my mind again. Well, there are different kinds of life cycles. There's a haplontic life cycle, diplontic life cycle. I guess haplo means single cell. Diplontic is multiple cell, probably. Haplodiplo life cycle. Ah, okay. Yes, these are plants then. Parasitic life cycle. Evolution. I guess I have to come up with something myself, since there is no general names of life cycle. In the context of like mammals, the life cycle is very much in the microscopic and before birth, defined as there. And when you're born, there is not much more. After that, I guess there's puberty and stuff, but there is not more. I would need 4 names. I remember Digimon had like names for it. Rookie and stuff. How about Pokemon? Any Pokemon experts here? Were there any names for life cycle stages? Okay, then let's brainstorm some words, I guess. I think the first one I will call larva. Should I call it something else? Let me see. I think Pokemon doesn't have that, right? But I'm not an expert on Pokemon, so I never played a game. Ah, yeah. Digimon had like Trash in training or Rookie. And then Champion, Ultra, and so on. Yes, I see. What was it in Jade Cocoon? Cocoon 2 also had names for them. The it was called Larva, Basic, Evolved, and Most Evolved. That sounds boring. Was it really like that? I think it is time to start Jade Cocoon 2 again. See how it was. I don't trust this article. See. Oh. Oh, come on, really? Controller is not working again. This controller. Yeah, me too. There we go. Hello? Could you... That's so stupid. Whatever. No, I will continue. There we go. Let me see. Say anything. How about here? Probably here. Larva. Basic, evolved, most evolved. The article was correct. Shima, this is Jade Cocoon. Jade Cocoon 2. Hamamayu Monogatari? Probably. What was it again? Hi. I guess they were very simple with that, so they didn't name it as something very special. Then maybe we can do it a little better in that regard. So larva. How about this part? I don't know. What we call it? Rookie. But this is very Digimon-y one. What else? I'm not sure if I like these names. Let's research a little. Could also take hatchling, but we don't have eggs in that regard. Did you guys ever hear about this word? Juvenile? Would that fit this below part? guess mature, a good one. Larva, playing. And I don't like these. Maybe this. Should I just maybe go away from a more scientific way to a, I don't know, more describing way? What else could we take here? What was the name again? What's after beta, gamma? Delta? Maybe even proto? And then have alpha, beta, gamma? I guess too. I mean, this one would fit my, how to say, my atmosphere a lot better than the other things, since I want it to be rather digital. I'm just brainstorming right now. How about this? How about this? Something like that would also be funny. But maybe it's too on the nose that it's something digital. I have to think about it. Could also go with the swarm and orpling things and think about what that could be. And then make a name out of that idea. In combination of a digital world. I would say no to this. This one is a little boring. A little too standard. This one might be too on the nose and I'm not sure about the lot. But I want to go this way maybe. Those two. Maybe I should heavily lean onto that theme. Would it make sense? Would it matter that I name them like this? Hard to say. I guess for now it doesn't matter what to name them, but it is important to think about this, keep it in the back of my mind to, how to say, to weave a lore, and then so that everything clicks with each other. I need to come up with something that fits into the world. This might be too on the nose. But I guess the important part right now is that this is a genus and this thing is a species. What is one of these? I mean, we could go with anything here. We could call it type. Stage. Life stage. Evolution stage. No, evolution stage would be these things. I would need like this little blob here instead of this band. It is important to have a name right now so I can put it into the game. I mean, in animals, if you ask the owner, hey, what kind of cat is it? You would ask like what kind or what breed is it, right? But that's going for this thing. In our case, you would have like a baby and whatever from this branch, so I think there is no equivalent naming thing for this, or word for this. I mean, we have like the Orpling name, which will be the thing that the player chooses, so I cannot use this. Getting blocked by something so simple. How else could I name it? Orpling scientific name. Doesn't make sense. Will be this whole species thing. I guess I will go with Orblink stage name. That is the most precise way to go for it. It's a long thing though. Maybe I will just call it stage name. All right. One circle, the stage name, one of these bands, the evolution stage. We have the genus, we have the species, and then we also need to name the bands at some point, but that's whatever. Keep going. Yes, the row name would then be the stage name, which I'm still not happy about the thing, but we need the stage name, we need the species, and we need the genus. Okay. And where do we have this base? That's right, this one. Okay then. String or name? Name. This is genus. Actually, this could be an enum. Where is it here? Genus enum. And then I still don't know what to name them, but for now, whatever. What do we have? Species enum. Am I missing one? And the other one is a free field anyway. Although I could make an enum, but I guess I won't. Doesn't matter. So go here. Genus. Up. What cannot parse value? Invalid, yeah, we don't have. Test. Test. How about now? Yeah, now it works. Species. genus, species, and the stage name is already in the row ID. What else? That it? Could be it. Now, what genuses do we have? I mean, I could for now just write down the very basic names I have and later rename them. We have right now I have 6 inside, right? We can use them. We have tomati, and water we have fishy, shroomy. Why did I not write them with the Y? Doesn't matter. On the other side we have orchies, neck, and slimy. That's for the genus. Maybe no. Maybe this is fruity. The rest should be fine. And then we have like tomati. Kind of fish. How about driver? For now. What else do we have? Roomies. Sure, if I will stick with this. Guess I'll go with drummer. What else do we have? They are from what is the name right now in our group? Robu. They're rather shy. But they helped me with some sketches when I started the project. I hired him. Yes, they did. I think the snakes I like the most right now. How about Gorgon? Speaking of, he's the larva stage. Whoop. I love it. I also like this, but we don't have insects right now. This one was wild. Turned out pretty well. Yeah, basically it was like I have the idea, but I cannot visualize, and told him what I want, and he put it pretty well onto on the paper. Like, I always want something combined with something, so I tell him, yeah, you know this? Like an insect, but they are in this historical, or like, not historical, like in more like in I combined the idea with three things, like in Middle Eastern, European, and then also something from the Far East, and then combine that and so on. What was the last one? That was the slimy. That is also pretty funny. This one. The last one is a little idea from Monty Python. There are these slugs in the sea which look like bunnies. We combined that. I guess I will call it Killer Bunny for now. Where's Tom? Here. The idea here was like, since they are in the fireplace, in the fire elements, they are pretty good with intelligence and magic. So we have a fruit that turns into a scientist or a mage. Could be too much details though. We will see how it turns out in the end. Banana Bunny, where did you see that? Yeah. And we have like 120 of them, or even more. Because I'm not sure if I... Like this one, my idea just didn't work. Like, having something eyeless and then turn into this thing, I'm not sure. Drawings are cool, but I'm not sure if it's as a monster interesting. Just has like not these two elements very prevalent, you know? We have these cats though, they're pretty fun. I like this one a lot. I know, right? I hope I can soon get it at some point where these things get more visual. Okay, now we have that. What are we missing? Element, we have type and so on. We have merge power. That we have to add. Same Orpling branch bonus, whatever that we can do with the other things. But this thing needs a merge power. And I guess this type thing will be unused, and some time I will have to get rid of it. Okay, these are the base stats, but where are my trial Orplings? Was it here? I mean, here at stats? Growth? No. Maybe here in the base. Coupling bases? No. No, that's trail. Maybe in UI then, that makes no sense. Orpling manager. File Orpling page, Orpling database. There it is, okay. Oh, merge power should be, of course, an integer. So basically now we have the genus, we have the species, and we have the merge power here. I guess we can work with this. Now though, no, it's fine. Okay, we have the trial Orpling. Now we have to compare it with the Orpling that we have here. And then find out the evolution point that he gets and needs to be added on top of it. Right? Yes, I need a function for it. For that I need to know what we enter this thing. Probably. Okay, let's make a function for calculates evolution point gain. And then we get an info, entity info. And we need the trial info. Trial Orpling. And Orpling own Orpling, I don't know. And then we can break this and break that. And this up. There's many things we don't need. This ID is important. Probably not needed for now. The only thing that we actually need. Here we need base ID and merge power. And then what was it? How did we get it again? Here. This thing is needed. Base ID. And then we can break it here and then get all kinds of other things. We need here genus, species, base ID. Well, we have that already. Element is important. And that's it. These things. We can then string and do this. We could first just see if this equals this. If true, then he gets the full bonus. If not, we have to look into all of the other things. Did I make a local for this? First off this thing. Important. I think I should make some locals here. Local on or plane info. Local or plane info. Local own or playing base. Local real or base. What is it? At right. Then we can do this and that. And then this in here and that in there. Now we are free. So if it's false, we can add this and this. Here, please. Like this, maybe. Okay. And now we need to and evolution points. Now we have to think again, of course. We have these things. Maybe I should make global integers out of them. And this should be called species now, right? And this is not type anymore. This is genus. Like so. So what do we need? We need, I think, 4 things. Let's go and add them. Here they are. Evolution bonus element. Evolution bonus genus. Evolution bonus species. Every time you get the evolution bonus from species, you get also the evolution bonus from genus, of course, and element. Or maybe not. Maybe the element can change from species, but that is something we have to see in the future. For me, when the element changes, it's also a different species. The variety. I guess yes. Whatever. Let's say these bonuses are like this for now. So we have this get global int. We need 3 of them. Thing. This one. And this one. Like so. And then we just say plus 2, 3. And this is how it goes. Local evolution points. Now we can see how this goes. First, we can of course just take this and put it in. And afterwards we just add on to it. This is the first thing. We know the species is not the same. No. Oh, wait. Not only species bonus. What am I doing here? This is wrong. Why am I looking for the base ID? That makes no sense. That makes no sense. Damn it. You have to go this way. Never mind. Oh. So now we have to find out if the species is the same by doing what? We have the basis. break species. Because if the species is the same, then everything else needs to be the same too. So, not this, please. I don't like the height equation, although it would work here, but still. So if they are true, full bonus. If false, we do this, and then we look for the other things. Genus. We have the element here too, yes. Or the element too. What else do we look? Merge power, genus and element. If this one is the same as this one, then this plus, and this is genus bonus point, making it this way. So, up. Element. Here. And this one. Not species, no, element. Okay, if true, elements. And then we just do this and turn this. And here's our calculation. Pretty simple. I can also just play around with these numbers at the global thingy instead of going into this function. So since we have this, I probably never have to open this ever again if our system doesn't change. Yeah, basically, we can now calculate the evolution points that we gain from that merge. And just go in here and then do that. Now I guess I should refactor this part, because it is the same as the lower one. What is this anyway? This values gets one. Search data. How do we begin here? Local Orpling info. And this one goes with entity infos. Goes in the storage, whatever, and then this is also just an entity info. Entity info. So this part can be a function. And maybe this. Although I'm not so sure. Yes, this can also be one. Interesting, I found a bug. But very, very, very nasty bug. I would find that in a playtest, but holy shit, this is very stupid of me. How could I miss this? Merging level needs to go up one level when we do it with the stored Orblings too. Very stupid, extremely stupid. Good thing that I found it. What do we do here actually? This is the ability. The bug has been squished. So this part and this part needs to go inside. Function. Am I right? Seems to be about right. Let's merge our links stats. Probably something like that. I guess we go in with the ability data itself. Or not. Ability. Goes in here. I hope this still works. Why wouldn't it, right? Ta-da. Okay. Now what? hope this is a reference. Can we see them now? Saving a lot of things. So we have Shroomy, EM, level 20. I go to the Orbling Manager. Want to merge. Shroomy EM. Right? Shroomy EM. With Tomati. Wait, hang on. Steering points. Why doesn't it work anymore? I mean, could be, of course. That's why I kept it like this. Go with this. Again. Let's see if it works now. Now it works. So our function doesn't take a reference, it's a copy. That's a problem. Merge level is up. I cannot just do this, sadly. This doesn't work. This is a copy. I would need to take this, return it, and set it in. I could try, of course. Return Orpling info. It can work then. Try again. This. This. And now set info. This maybe. That. Huh. Interesting. Oh, this is so bad. Aha! Nice. That worked. Try again with the sort one. Store away. EM. Sort away. Merge. EM. Tomati. Okay. Place EM. Level 1. Where are you, my friend? This one. Yes. Still works. Perfect. Now I can just do this. This. Try again. And now we expect to gain evolution points. Merge. EM. Tomati. Didn't happen. Merged, but didn't get... Well, we are of course stupid and didn't give it through. And it of course cannot function. Merge. EM Tomati. Evolution points 3. Which means it got the evolution points from the power, but not from element, not from species, and not from genus. The power is 3, so it makes sense. Let's store it and do it again. Store away. Merge. EM. Place. EM. And evolution points are there. Perfect. Okay, so our little function works. I just need to clean up now here. Like so. Okay, so we can get evolution points. Now we could also test if we evolve Tomati, if he gets the full evolution points thingy. And for that we should give him level 20 for now. Here and then here and then here. Presets, where's our Tomati M? Tomati FM is now level 20. Save. And we go. Merge Tomati FM with Tomati. And we looky. Tomati. Tomati. 7. Sorry. So it works. We can now actually have evolution points. That's already pretty far now. So we have the evolution points. Now we would need to make a trigger for the Orpling itself to initiate evolution, which is this part. I'm not sure how I will manage this evolution animation, since I really don't know how to do this. For now, I will probably just switch the visual representation and then at one point add the animation itself. But I guess either I implement the evolution or I go in Blender and make a evolved Orpling. We will see. I will decide tomorrow. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Chima, Baby, Yummy. Thanks for tuning in. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.